In today's video, we're going to cover a kitchen renovation. Now, there's two different sorts of kitchen renovation. There's the type of renovation where you're going to stay, you want to live there, and so you want to put special things in, a little bit more attention to detail, and perhaps the budget is a little bit more as well. The other sort of renovation is what we're going to cover today, and that is where you plan to sell. So when you sell, it's really important that you focus on a budget. You also need to know what is the aftermarket value once all of those renovations have been done. Does it even make sense to do it? Are you going to get a good return on any of that money that you invest into those renovations? With this home, the market valuation prior to any renovation, it wasn't that high, and yet for a full renovation, the market price, it was substantial enough to warrant a full renovation such as what we have here. Let's just run through some of the things that we have here. So, brand new cabinets. They're solid wood. New handles, new appliances, new quartz countertop. This is the type of thing that buyers expect. When you're renovating to sell, it's important to stay on budget. Now, as an example, some people would say, hey, should have removed this wall, open it up. But this way you have a nice separation from the living room to the kitchen, and it gives you a lot more cupboard and counter space, which you need in the kitchen. Plus, you can put a nice little fireplace here, which a lot of people like. You got mounting for your TV above. This is the sort of thing that people want. And overall, this option was a lot less expensive than removing it. You can splurge out on a couple of special items, such as a nice light fitting. So there's a lot to think about when you're planning to renovate. And we have a lot more videos just like this on our channel. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to show your support. And that way you'll be notified as soon as we upload another video. Thanks for watching.